Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This week's video is going to be a deep clean my bathroom with me because it's a little bit overdue, and let's just get straight into it. Here are my tools for the cleansing. I have got some antibacterial surface wipes, I've got these cistern blocks, my dustpan and brush, I've got a specific rag for cleaning the bathroom, and then I've got two types of cleaner, just both from Aldi, bathroom cleaner and a window and glass cleaner. I've got bleach to chuck down the toilet. I've also got my flash dust magnet duster thingy bob in here, and then I've got a couple of things to restock because I've run out of soap and I need to stick a new razor head on my razor. So these are my tools and my equipment. Now let's have a look at the bathroom itself. So it's by no means horrendous. The floor definitely needs sweeping. Need to wipe my scales because there's kind of, I don't know, like wetness, probably because I keep them under the sink so stuff drips. And then my plug and my sink need a bit of a clean. My mirror has got some toothpaste marks. I need to get all of this stuff off and wipe the counter down, reorganize this a little bit. My shower screen has got watermarks on that needs to be wiped, and I just need to like reorganize the stuff around the edges. Also, that is the remnants of my little soap. I had a shower this morning, so that can go in the bin. I'm also gonna wipe my towel rail, and I'm also gonna put all of my towels in the wash. My dressing gown's okay though. But yeah, let's give this lovely room a lovely clean. Alright, first things first, I'm gonna wash everything that I want washing. So that's all my towels, my flannels that I use to take my makeup off as well. I've got 3 towels. I've got a bath sheet, a bath towel, and then like a small hand towel, and I try to wash them regularly-ish, but I am one of those horrible people that believe towels don't really get that dirty because you're clean when you come out the shower. I know that's not true, really, so I'm going to pop these in the wash. I am going to do the toilet first because it is truly the most despicable job of the entire bathroom clean. What I've done is I've put one of these cistern blocks in the hidden cistern of my toilet, which is behind the flush, this silver thing. You have to take the silver thing off the wall to even get it in there, which is not very convenient. And I also found out you're not actually supposed to use these cistern blocks with this kind of toilet, so I'm just going to use the ones that I've got, and then I'm not going to buy any more. I'm going to buy the ones that go in the bowl. So one of those has already gone in, and I'm going to bleach around the rim and give it a scrub with my toilet brush. I got this toilet brush from Amazon. Kyle's got one in his bathroom as well. They're really good. They're silicone, so they feel really nice and hygienic, and they stay nice and clean, and they're easy to clean. So I'm just gonna get the bleach, scrub it. The water in Bristol is very hard water, and I feel like it causes like lime scale build-up in my toilet, which just makes it look really dirty. So especially around the water line, I'm gonna get the bleach in. And I also always rinse my toilet brush in the sink, which sounds disgusting, but I'm going to clean the sink afterwards, so it's fine. Then I'm going to use these wipes to go around the toilet like the rest of the toilet. Next, I'm going to take everything off here, off this surface. So I've got my Tangle Teaser, which is full of hair, disgusting. My perfume, my toothbrush holder with my mouthwash, and also unplugging my electric toothbrush charger, and my hand soap and my reed diffuser. And these kits by Flash are really, really good. I get them in B&M. They're like $2.50, $2.59 or something. And they are these dusters that you fluff up, and you get 4 of those, and then you can just stick it on this wand. And then it's a fluffy duster, and it also like magnetizes the dust, so you don't have dust then flying everywhere. Not too bad. Then I'm going to use my generic Aldi bathroom cleaner, and I'm going to wipe everything in the sink down. Now I'm going to clean the bath. So the first thing I'm going to do is take all of the stuff off of the edges of it. So I've got my purple shampoo and my bubble bath. Also my hair mask and my shampoo. Then I've got my scrubby brush and my loofah, and 2 different types of body wash. And I'm going in with my bathroom spray again, all around the edges. I also do a little bit on the outside because my sink is literally just here, so when I'm washing my face, I do tend to fling a little bit of soap on the outside as well. The next thing I'm going to do is, with my spray, I'm going to attack my shower head. And I don't think I can angle you so you can see it. And then I'm going to give that a wonderful scrub. Now the bath's all done, and I'm going to clean the shower screen with my glass cleaner now, and I'm going to need a kitchen roll for that, so let me just go grab some. Again, this is just the cheap one from Aldi. It's got vinegar in it, so it should be non-streaky. Next, the towel rail, and I've officially reached the point where I am bored of this, but I'm just going to use my wipes to go over all the rungs. Now the bath is clean, I can put all of my stuff back on to the edges of the bath, and I can put all of my stuff back where it's I'm lying. I need to sweep, but I will put the stuff on the bath. I mean, my bathroom's a bit small, so you literally cannot really see the floor, but I'm sweeping it with my big broom. Then I've got my dustpan and brush. I'm about to mop, so I'm going to replace everything back on the counter where it's supposed to be. I almost forgot, I need to give my mirror a quick wipe. It's not too bad, there's only like a few toothpaste marks. Alright, let's have a quick look. There's my pile of dust that I'm about to sweep up with my dustpan and brush, but the towel rail is all shiny again. I've popped my scales on top of the toilet because I'm gonna mop, and so I need the floor clear. This is now the worktop kind of thing. Everything has been wiped. Now there is no dust anywhere, and I think it looks a lot better. And then also just the bottom of my mirror had some toothpaste marks, which are now good day, good riddance. So that looks nice. Also the shower screen, I think, looks sparkly. It's shining bright like a diamond. And the edges of the bath now no longer have any dust or bits of soap stuck to them. So that is all beautiful. And my hallway is not beautiful. To mop the floor, I am going to use a little bit of this with some water, and I'm just gonna give my floor a good once over because there's no actual like muck or anything. That is just gonna be swept up, it's just a bit of dust. So yeah, gonna go in with that because I got this from B&M the other day and I think it smells so nice. We are finished. Thank you so much for cleaning my bathroom with me. I feel like making a video about it made me want to tackle it and do a bit of a better job, to be honest, because I knew I was gonna be putting it on the internet. So the towels are in the wash at the moment, and then when they're dry, I can hang them back up on my rail. Everything looks ship-shape and shiny. Everything looks lovely. Just gonna wait for the floor to dry as well, so I can put my scales and my bath mat back down when that's out the laundry as well. But yes, 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 job well done, Saturday morning well spent. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful and motivating and fun to watch. I love watching people clean personally, so I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you're all having an amazing weekend, and I will see you all very soon in the next video. Bye!